The TAF extension identifies a Talon Audition file used to store recorded vocal auditions within the Talon voice control software ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or manage these voice audition recordings. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest TAF files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. TAF Files store voice audition recordings created within Talon, a hands-free voice control and accessibility platform. They contain captured audio samples used to train or test custom voice commands and macros for the Talon voice recognition engine. Talon TAF files are binary audio containers formatted for the Talon voice engine's internal processing pipeline. They store audio waveform data alongside metadata used by the recognition system for command training and accuracy evaluation purposes. For full editing functionality, TAF requires WaveCart Pro, which is supplied by Broadcast Software International, BSI. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows can play many standard audio formats, but detailed work still requires specialized editing software. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your TAF file and choose Open With. Your best bet is WaveCart Pro. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. If your TAF file still refuses to open, stay calm. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, opening the file. Install Talon Voice from talonvoice.com and open the TAF file through the Talon configuration interface. Ensure your microphone setup is correctly configured before attempting to play back or reevaluate the audition recording in the interface. Next, testing and validation. Use Talon's built-in voice training tools to analyze the TAF file's recorded audio quality. Compare the audition against your active voice model to assess recognition accuracy and determine whether re-recording is necessary for better results. Finally, backup and management. Store TAF audition files in a dedicated folder within your Talon user directory. Regularly backup your Talon configuration and audition files to prevent loss. Use version-numbered file names to track audition iterations during the training process. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.